The streets of Wellington have always had a really dynamic energy. The city has evolved and changed in such a positive way. Wellington always is and always will be a hub for creative people. It's a place where artists gather, where bands play, and where there's plenty of good food to be had.
So this is a little crudité dish that we have on the menu constantly. It all comes from the Wairarapa. At the moment the asparagus are phenomenal.
T from Little Penang is one of the most inspiring people that I've ever met.
In Malaysia we have a saying that we only eat once a day, the minute we open our eyes until we close our eyes to sleep.
Here the bastions of the city are as well supported as all the new places. No visit to Wellington is complete without a walk down Cuba Street, and at night it truly comes alive. The food of a city is shaped by the people who eat it. Wellington is no exception.